Now we will discuss that how to find compound interest using formulas. Uh, Now we have some formulas that we can apply directly and find the compound interest and amount. Okay, so first is computation of compound interest and the amount when interest is compounded annually. Now, how to calculate interest when interest is compounded annually? ठीक है, मतलब पिछले क्वेश्चंस में हमने क्या किया कि जैसे वन बाय वन पहले फर्स्ट ईयर का इंटरेस्ट निकालते थे, देन अमाउंट, फिर प्रिंसिपल निकालते थे, हमारे पास सेकेंड ईयर का आ जाता था, फिर इंटरेस्ट सेकेंड ईयर का, एंड आफ्टर दैट अमाउंट. Okay, so in this way we find the compound interest annually, but now we have directly the formula. Okay, by using the formula we can find it directly. Okay, so what is the formula to find compound interest and amount when interest is compounded annually? Here is the formula. As you know, P denotes principal, R denotes rate of interest per year, and N denotes number of years. Okay, here remember that N denotes number of years. Then how can we find amount? The formula to find amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power n. Okay, and if we want to find compound interest, just subtract principal from amount. Clear? Or you can, if you want to find compound interest, you can apply directly the formula. Put the value of amount here, P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n minus P. So take P common, 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n minus 1. So you can direct apply the formula of compound interest, or you can firstly find amount, after that subtract the principal from amount. Both are correct. Okay, let us discuss the example. The example is find the compound interest on ₹1000 for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum compounded annually. Okay, so here we have to find the compound interest. Principal is 1000 and time is 2 years, means we write it n. Okay, number of years, and rate is 10 per annum compounded annually. ठीक है, अब हमने annually find out करना है. ठीक है, so we already discussed the formula. First of all we find amount. As you see, amount is the formula of amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power n. So principal is 1000 plus 1 upon rate is 10 upon 100, and n is 2 years. Okay, so we solve it. 0 cancel with 0. 1000 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to power 2. 1000 take the LCM, 11 upon 10 raised to power 2. Now we open it. 1000 multiply by 11 upon 10, 11 upon 10. 2 zeros cancel with 2 zeros. Now we calculate it. Its answer is 121.1210. Okay, so now we calculate compound interest. As you know, the formula of compound interest is amount minus principal. So amount is 1210 minus principal is 1000. So answer is ₹210. So this is our answer. In this way we calculate compound interest by using the direct formula. Next is how to calculate compound interest when interest is compounded half yearly. Okay, तो अब इसमें हाफ ईयरली का क्या फॉर्मूला लगेगा हमारे पास? हाउ टू फाइंड अमाउंट. अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल 1 plus R upon 2 multiplied by 100 raised to power 2n. ठीक है। तो जब हमारे पास हाफ ईयरली की बात आ जाए तो हमने क्या फॉर्मूला लगाना है, ये वाला हाफ ईयरली में। ओके, सो एंड हाउ टू फाइंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट प्रिंसिपल फ्रॉम अमाउंट। Let us discuss the example. Find the compound interest on rupees 50,000 for 2 years at the rate of 8% per annum compounded half year. Okay. So we have to find the compound interest. Okay. Here per annum compounded half yearly. So we apply the formula of half yearly. So amount is equal to, as you know, principal is 50,000. 1 plus rate is 8 upon 2 multiplied by 100 and time is 2 multiplied by 2. 2 years is the time. Okay, so 50,000, 2 4s are 8, 1 plus 4 upon 2 2s are 4, 2 50s are 2 25s are, so 1 upon 25 raised to power 4. 50,000, take the LCM, 26 upon 25 raised to power 4. Now we open it. 50,000 multiply by 26 upon 25 multiply by 26 upon 25, 26 upon 25, 4 times we multiply it, and after calculation our answer is rupees 58,492.93. Now we find the compound interest. So you know the formula of compound interest, amount minus principal. अब हमारे पास amount कितनी आ गई, 58,492.93 minus principal is 50,000. So when we subtract it, its answer is rupees 8,492.93. Okay, the third one is that to calculate compound interest when interest is compounded quarterly. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास क्वार्टरली आ गया, तो क्वार्टरली में कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, उसके लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस 1 प्लस r अपॉन 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 रेज टू पावर 4n. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट व्हेन interest is compounded quarterly. This is the formula of amount. Now if we want to find a compound interest, just simply subtract the principal from amount. Okay, let us discuss the example. Find the amount on rupees 15,625 in 9 months at the rate of 6% per annum when the interest is compounded quarterly. Okay, so now in this question we have to find the amount. Okay, not compound interest, we have to find the amount. So principal is given, that is 15,625 and time is 9 months. So अब 9 months की बात हो रही है, पहले हम इसको years में convert करेंगे. ठीक है, so as you know how to convert months into years, by divide it by 12. Okay, so answer is 3 by 4 years. Okay, so now we find the amount. The amount formula is principal plus rate upon 4 multiplied by 100, 400 raised to power 4n. So just put the values. As we know, principal is 15,625, 1 plus rate is 16 upon 100, 400, 4 multiplied by time is 3 upon 4, 4 is cancelled with 4, so 15625, 4 4s are 16 and 4 25s are 100. So 1 plus 1 upon 25 raised to power 3 which is equal to 15625 26 upon 25 raised to power 3. Okay, now we solve it. 15,625 multiplied by 26 upon 25, 26 upon 25, 26 upon 25. So after solvation we get our answer 17,576. So this is our amount. Okay, and if we want to find the compound interest, then we subtract the principal from the amount. Clear? Next is that how we calculate the compound interest when interest is compounded annually, but the rates are different for different years. When rates are different, okay, sometimes there is a for the first year rate is different, for the second year rate is different. In this way, when we have want to find compound interest when the interest is compounded annually but the rates are different. Okay, then we have the formula to find amount is principal multiplied by 1 plus r1 upon 100. r1 denotes rate, first rate, matlab for the first year. Okay, so next 1 plus r2 upon 100, 1 plus r3 upon 100, and so on. It goes to rn upon 100. Okay, so after, if we want to calculate compound interest, just subtract principal from amount. Okay, let us take an example. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 6,000 in 3 years if the rate of interest is 5% for the first year, 4% for the second year, and 3% for the third year. Now here, for every year rate of interest is different. Okay, so we apply this formula here. As you see that principal is given, time is given, and rates are also given. So amount is, principal is 6,000, 1 plus rate 1, first rate is 5 upon 100, second rate is 1 plus 4 upon 100, and the third rate is 1 plus 3 upon 100. Okay, so simply we apply this formula, and now we calculate it. 105 upon 100, 104 upon 100, and 1 upon 103 upon 100. Okay, now we calculate it. Zeros cancel with 0. After calculation we get our answer rupees 6,748.56. and if we want to calculate compound interest, then we simply subtract principal from amount, 6,748.56, and the principal is rupees 6,000. So answer is rupees 748.56. Okay, clear? Next one is to calculate compound interest when interest is compounded annually but time is in fraction. Now if the time is in fraction, then how we can find amount? So there is a formula. Amount is principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to power n, 1 plus LR upon M upon 100. Okay, so let us discuss an example. Okay, तो एग्जाम्पल से आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फाइंड द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ₹20,000 एट 10% पर एनम फॉर 2:1 upon 4 years. Okay, now we have to calculate the compound interest. We have to find it. Okay, as you see, rate is in fraction, mixed fraction. Okay, so firstly, how to find the amount? As you see the formula. Okay, so principal is 20,000, 1 plus rate is 10% per annum upon 100. What is n? n is 2:1/4. तो अब हमने n यहाँ पे कैसे लिखना है, 2:1/4, ये वाला 2 हमारा यहाँ आ जाएगा, ठीक है। 1 प्लस एंड जो ये वाली फ्रैक्शन है वो हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 1/r, 1l 1/4 एंड r is, you know, r is 10/100, ठीक है। तो दोबारा देखो कि हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन क्या है, 2:1/4। तो n हमने क्या ले लेना है, 2, और जो यहाँ पे l है वो हमने ये वाली पुट करनी है 1/4। क्लियर? सो नाउ वी कैलकुलेट इट। 20,000, 0 cancel with 0, 1 plus 1/10 raised to power 2, 10, 0 cancel with 0, 1 plus 1/40. So 20,000, 11/10 raised to power 2, 41/40. Okay. So now we calculate it. 20,000, 11/10 multiply by 11/10 multiply by 41/40. So 1 2 3 3 zeros cancel with this and 4 5s are 20. So after calculation we get the answer, that is rupees 24,805. Now we find the compound interest, amount minus principal. So amount is rupees 24,805 minus principal is 20,000. So which is equal to rupees 4,805. Okay.